How to draw Mew. We're going to begin by drawing Mew's left eye. Great job! Now we're going to draw the outline of Mew's right eye. Now we're going to add some detail to the left eye. We're going to add two slightly curved lines inside of the eye. Then inside of the smaller curved line, we're going to draw a circle and color the rest of the area in black. Looking great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to do the same thing but for the right eye. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. Then we're going to draw two eyebrows. Great job! The next step will be to draw Mew's head. To do this, we will first draw a slightly curved line above the two eyes. Then on either side of that line, we are going to draw each ear. These will be triangle-like shapes that don't have a bottom. Next, we're going to draw the sides of the face. To do this, we are going to draw a curved line starting at the ear and going around the eye a little below it. Now we will do the same thing for the other side. Then to connect those two lines, we're going to draw a curved line starting on the left side and going towards the right. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! I love your drawings. Now we're going to draw the arms. For the left arm, we are going to draw two straight lines going outwards from the bottom of the face. Then we will connect those two lines with a zigzag line. Then we will draw the right arm the same way. Now we are going to draw the body. Starting from where the left arm connects to the face, we are going to draw a curved line. Then we will leave a small space and continue that line. Then to the left of that curved line, we are going to draw a C-like shape. Now we will draw the right side of the body, starting where the right arm connects to the face. Again, we will draw a curved line going downwards. Then we will continue to curve that line upwards towards the middle of the body. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw the right foot. At the bottom of the foot, we will add two lines for detail. Now we are going to draw the left foot. And again, we will add two lines at the bottom of the foot for detail. We're almost done. The final step will be to draw Mew's tail. You can follow me and draw Mew's tail like I do, or you could draw Mew's tail however you would like. This is how to draw Mew! Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.